To fill the timber, I use Builder's Bog. Yes, that is a real name. Builder's Bog. And the timber has to be bare. We don't want a painted surface. We want the raw timber, because that's what this stuff will stick to. It's a two-part mix. Additive, which is this one, and then inside is that. What I'm going to do is put that onto a trowel and we'll mix it up. Depending on the heat of the day, depends on how much of the red additive that you use. Being a hot day, we don't have to use too much. Going to have to do this in a couple of stages. We want to mix up enough for stage one. I had to use a chisel because I can't find my small scraper. But that's what we start with. Grab that little bit of additive, and like I said, this is a hot day, so we're not going to need too much of that. That's probably enough. On a cold day, you might want 2 or 3 times as much as that. And we're just going to mix that around. Gives off a most peculiar odour. Mix it quickly, because if it goes off too quickly, of course, then it's a pointless exercise, because we want to be able to get it into place and have it all happening, because it will only take minutes for this to go off. So we've got minutes to play with that. Let's get into it. Push it right in as far as it'll go. Just keep layering it, one lot on top of the other. And you'll see that's already going off. You can see I can push on that and it's just a little bit spongy. One thing about this, because it goes off so quickly, you've got to keep cleaning the tools. Get it all off, and get a decent scraper, clean it right off. Alright, I'm going to let that settle just for a minute, and then we've got to clean up the surface. Now for my trusty blade to do the magic trick. I just got to get rid of some of this excess. You can see, you just peel it off like that with that nice blade. Get rid of anything that we don't want to be there. I'm going to make this lot not quite so strong, because I want to work it for a little bit longer. Get a really long thin line like that. Bit of a block, bit of leftover architrave actually in this case, with a bit of coarse sandpaper, because I want to scrape it back a fair bit, and we want to clean that edge. For the last little bit, just to finish it off, is plasterer's top coat. It's a pre-mix, just comes out of a tub. I haven't had to mix anything. So this will take a lot longer to dry. Angle the plaster away from the edge. Final sand. Remember to get rid of all that old decayed wood. I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.